Hi guys, I hope you have tried this problem on your own and have arrived to the correct conclusion. The answer, if you should know, is we've got Tn equals to n squared plus 2. And I'll quickly take you through what is going on here. It is not given that this is quadratic. So you've got to first check that there is the first difference and there is the second constant difference and confirm that it is quadratic. Okay. And then, of course, remember that T1 is A plus B plus C, and I have circled it in red there on from the sequence. T2 minus T1 is 3A plus B. There it is in yellow, which is the 5. And your second difference is actually 2A, okay, which is 2 in this case. So you know we solve backwards. So we start with A, we get that it is 1. We go on to B, substituting A here, we get B as 2. And finally, substitute A and B, and then equate in this equation here. And so we get 3 plus C equals to 3, which will give us that 3 is, C is 0. And hence, we came to this conclusion. Well done. If you've got all things correct here, and if you did not, please don't be hard on yourself. You are still getting used to this new line of sequences, okay? So please be patient with yourself. I want us to look at another interesting problem now, which is, I'll say it's a thinking problem, okay? You need to do a bit of thinking here. So let's go ahead and see. We are given the sequence 4, 9, then P, and then 37. Now, the good thing about this is it is given that it is a quadratic sequence. We must find the value of P, and what do we notice? P is actually term 3 as well as Tn, the general term. But of course, we can't find T3 without knowing Tn. So we must actually find P before even trying to find Tn, okay? Now, I'm going to go ahead here and put up my first and second difference so that I can solve for P. The idea is to get an equation in which I can solve for P. So this is going to be 5 because 9 minus 4 is just 5. Here, I'm going to have P minus 9. And here, I'm going to have 37 minus P. Then I must come to the second difference. And then here, I know that, well, if I do this, so notice what you are doing actually here. You are solving the equation, rather, you are simplifying the expression P minus 9 minus A5. And I hope you can see that this is P minus 14. So I'm going to write a P minus 14 here. The same thing here, you might want to first figure it out separately. 37 minus P minus, now notice I put my brackets P minus 9. The brackets here are important because if I had not put my brackets, as some of you always do, you would have had a P plus a P, and then you see you cancel because that's what you guys enjoy doing in algebra, canceling stuff for no good reason sometimes. So I beg you with a broken heart, please don't kill cats. Okay, you guys know what I mean, right? So this is 37 minus 2p plus a 9, okay? So, well, pretty clear we are going to have a 46 minus 2p. So I'm going to write here 46 minus 2p. If you wrote negative 2p plus 46, that's still good. Now, there's something that we know about these differences. They are what? Constant. So I can use that fact and say, well, p minus 14 is equal to 46 minus 2p. So you can see now, well, 3p is what? Bravo. This looks like a 60. So p is actually 20. Oh, wow. Easy, right? Yes, that's how easy it is. Math is actually easy, guys, huh? Now, because I found p, I know this is 20. I will not insult your intelligence and go through the pain of calculating A, B, C, etc. You know, for example, this is 20, so 20 minus 14 is going to give us what? A 6, right? And then you know that 6 is 2A, so A is 3, for example, and then you know that this one is 3A plus B, then you know that one is A plus B plus C, and then you find your Tn. So go for it, guys, and embrace the challenge, which is not really a challenge, but fun. Okay, so go ahead and have some fun. When you have done that, I want you to now try. Okay, yes, try is the best. So please have a look at these problems here. I've only given you two, and try and work on this on your own as much as you can. What will happen is that once you have done all this, as usual, Mr. G will give you a test on quadratic sequences. So please practice, practice, and be ready for that summative test only on quadratic patterns or number patterns. All right. Until then, I'll catch you guys later.